So if your AC suddenly starts making a loud noise, it's like banging, rattling, buzzing, or screeching, yeah, that can be pretty concerning. Sometimes it's a small issue, other times it's a warning sign. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to figure out what's causing the noise and how to fix it safely. First, listen carefully. The type of sound actually tells you a lot. A rattling noise usually means something is loose. Banging could mean a broken internal part. Buzzing often points to electrical issues. And screeching may be a motor or belt problem. Before you inspect anything, turn the system off. This is important. Running it while something is loose or broken can cause bigger damage. If you hear rattling, check the outer panels on both the indoor and outdoor units. Sometimes screws just loosen. Over time, tighten any loose screws carefully. That alone can stop the noise. Leaves, sticks, or small debris can get stuck inside the outdoor condenser fan. That can cause loud rattling or grinding sounds. Make sure the power is off, then gently remove any visible debris. Keep at least 2 feet of clearance around the unit. If the noise sounds like metal hitting metal, the fan blade could be bent or misaligned. If the blade looks damaged, don't try to force it back. That's usually a job for a technician. A buzzing sound might mean a failing capacitor or contactor. Electrical parts can be dangerous, so don't open panels unless you're trained. A high-pitched screech can mean a worn motor bearing or belt issue, especially in older systems. If you hear this, turn the unit off and schedule service. Running it can damage the motor completely. So yeah, loud AC noises are usually caused by loose parts, debris, fan issues, or electrical components. Start with simple visual checks, but if the sound continues or seems serious, call a licensed HVAC technician. Fixing it early can save you from expensive repairs later.